quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Leo. So we have the Queen of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Itong mga araw na ito mas lalong lalalim, no, itong inyong relationship. It felt like meron din ditong bibigay in a way, no? Bibigay, which means probably meron ding mga, I think that you and your person's gonna have a shared moments, no? Intimate moments when it comes to the closed doors. You know what I mean? Pero bukod doon, magkakaroon dito din ng this is what I like in this connection or this is what I want more to happen. May elevations eh. Dito mo mararamdaman yung warmth, not because of the intimacy ng sa bed, but this is more also you're gonna feel the warmth because your person's gonna be abundant with you, and also yung mga reciprocations ng ating mga ginagawa, no? Parang napapansin mo ay ibinabalik naman din sa akin. So this is your quick reading for January the 17th to the 18th, Leo.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.